Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear functions part 6, a practice how to do slope-intercept forms. Okay, so we've been giving functions like this, and then we need to graph this on the graph. So it is straightforward. Okay, you want to pause the video and then try to do yourself? Go ahead. Now, if you paused and then do yourself, good for you. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. So we have a slope intercept forms. So in order to graph this one, we have slope m equal to 3 and then b equal to -2, right? So we got a b means it's y-intercept. That means our line going to intercept with y-axis into the -2 part, which is this point here. We got this point. And then we got 3. That means rise over 1. It means when x going right by 1, y is going up by 3. It will be a 1 here, 1, 2, 3, which is this point. And then we just using a ruler connect these 2 points, and then we're done. Easy enough. Okay, the next one. Okay, some students is a little bit confused this one because we got a negative number, we got the rational numbers, and then this is really confusing. Okay, so actually there is a better way to draw these things. It's not better way, but it's alternate way. Okay, so I will show you this, and then you can decide which one you like to use. Okay, I will draw two ways in the same times. All right, so let's see the number one way. So our traditional way, so making positive 1 here. So our y-intercept equal to positive 1. That means it's our line, and the intercept is y-axis at point 1. All right, and then we got a -4/3. That means when -4, we can put this like that. Okay, -4/3. So that means when x moving right by 3, and then the y moving down by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is this point. And then we connect these 2 points, and we're done. All right, so if we don't want to use this way, we want to use some other way. What else we can use? Okay, now we can use 0, way. What means 0? That means you're setting up x equal to 0, find y, and then setting up the y equal to 0, find x. So depend on which one you like. Okay, so we're finding x equal to 0. That means the y equal to -4/3 times 0 plus 1. Very simple, just y equal to 1, right? So this is our this point. When x equals 0, y equal to 1. Okay, when y equal to 0, that means 0 equal to -4/3x plus 1. So you're moving 4/3 the other side, 4/3x equal to 1. Okay, so 4/3x equal to 1. That means we times the 3 and divide by 4. Then x equal to 3/4. Okay, 3/4. X equal to 3/4, which is something here, this point here. And then we connect these 2 points, and we got exactly same line here. Okay, so why this way is better? So sounds like this way is like more complicated. We need to solve these equations, right? However, when this is useful, okay, think about this. Sometimes on exams, you don't have this. You don't have this nice looking grade here, and then it's all dot is making for you. So you need to do yourself. For example, let's see without we have these things. For example, we don't have these things. We need to draw with your bare hand. What do you do? If you draw like that, so you go 1 here, and you go right by 3 and down by 4, and then you connect these things, and then it's pretty hard to say what the x-intercept. And then the x-intercept is your important point. Make sense? Okay, now this way is coming handy. So why this way is coming handy? Let's see. This is how you draw these things. You don't have this nice design for you things. You got +1 here. You just see 1 here. And you got x equals 3/4. You just make a dot here. 3/4. You don't even like measure how much is it. You just say 1 and 3/4 and then connect it. Now these times you draw the line also marked with the most important point of these linear functions, x, y intercept. So it's way nice, and then you got more marks if like teacher mark you exams, because on the other way you might lose marks because teacher say you didn't mark the dot here, and then you didn't measure how much is it. So in these ways you never miss that. Okay, the most important 2 point is already graphed in here, 1 and 3 or 4, and done. Okay, it's totally your choice to use which method, as my job is told you both way. Okay, so let's see the next part here. Okay, now we don't have functions. Now we need supposed to find the functions by using the graph here. Okay, so it's not bad. Actually, this is coordinate here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our y value, our line of y value is the y-intercept equal to -4. That means our b equal to -4. And then what is our slope? So slope of obviously is the positive, right? When x going up right by 2, y going up by 1, that means the 1/2 is our m. So our m equal to 1/2, b equal to -4. So we got 1/2 x minus 4. That's how to find the slope here, the slope intercept forms here. Okay, this one we done this thing several times. Okay, so horizontal line slope equal to 0, and then y-intercept, this is the line intercept is y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So y equal to 8. Finished. Make sense? Okay, so the last one. So we got a writing equation for this graph, or this graph again. So we got a vertical line, right? So we all know. Okay, please pause the video if you want to try yourself. So the answer will be pretty straightforward. Okay, vertical line, no slope, no y-intercept. Then what do we write here? X equal to what? X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. Finished. So that is the linear functions. Make sense? Okay, I hope you learned something. Okay, if you like, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer your question in my next videos. Thank you for watching.